Now next is motion of two blocks connected through a cord on a smooth horizontal surface. This is again a smooth surface, so you have to neglect friction. This is a smooth surface. You are applying a force. This is having mass m1, m2 and m3. Because there is no need of vertical motion, so we are neglecting normal reaction and its weight. Here we are having a cord, and if the cord is separate, tension will be different. This you have understood in class 10th in pulley system. If two bodies are connected to the single string, then the tension will be equal and opposite. If the two bodies are having, if more than two bodies are there and they are separately connected by string, they will have separate tensions. Now here, this is the concept. Three blocks are arranged with the help of two cords. Now I have to consider the tension. This is the first cord. It will have a tension. This is T1 and this is also T1. Equal and opposite. Now here also this is second cord, so it will have separate tension T2 and T2. You all know that tensions are internal forces and they will cancel out. Now see what I have to do. I have to separate the system. I have separated the system. Now in this separate block, what you can see, because force is applied in this direction, so acceleration of all the system will be in this direction. So see, I am separating the three blocks. M1 is having net force F minus T1. M2 is having separate forces T1 minus T2, because both are in opposite direction. Here this is not having any force. There is no cord, no block, nothing else. No friction is there. So there is no force acting along this direction. So only force acting on this M3 is T2 for the first block. For the first block, F minus T1, because this is moving in this direction, so F will be dominating. F minus T1 is equals to M1A. This is equation number 1. For second block, T1 minus T2, you can see T1 is in this direction, T2 is in this direction, but block is moving in this direction, so I am writing T1 minus T2. If the block is moving in this direction, then it will be T2 minus T1. So T1 minus T2 is M2A. And for third block, you can see only force acting is T2, so T2 is equals to M3A. Now you have to solve all these to get acceleration. So here in this case you will get acceleration as on solving this you will get acceleration as F upon M1 plus M2 plus M3. Once you get the acceleration you will get T2. Then you will get T1 also, so you can solve all the variables in the given problem. This is concept number 4, acting on more than two blocks connected through a cord on a smooth surface. I am writing a smooth surface because friction is not yet taught to you. Now the fifth free body diagram is a block attached to a pulley on a horizontal surface. On a horizontal surface. This is the pulley. This is a block. The string is passed through the pulley. A block is attached over here also. So you have to find M2, this is M1. Now tension will balance each other, equal and opposite. Now since this is heavy, so M2G, acceleration will be along this. So you have to find acceleration. So for this block, M2G minus tension T is equals to M2A. This is equation number 1 for this block. And for the first block, that is M1, T equals to M1A. So on solving this, you will get to know that acceleration is equals to what? Acceleration is equals to M2G by M1 plus M2 in this particular case. This is how you will find acceleration when a block is attached to a pulley. This all will be clear when you apply it on numericals as well. Now the last free body diagram which I am explaining is about a case of pulley system. Again tension is, because string is same, tension will be same here. This is coming down in acceleration and this is moving for the acceleration. So M2G minus T is equals to M2A, equation number 1. T minus M1G is equals to M1A, this is second. Now adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. What you are going to get? You are going to get M2G minus M1G is equals to M2 plus M1A. So A is equals to M2 minus M1 upon M2 plus M1 into G. This is how you will get acceleration in this pulley system also. So this is for block and pulley system where a single pulley is used. Multiple pulleys are not for your concern. Now let us do two questions on Google form. For physics, question number 1. For equilibrium, net force should be. Question number 2. Necessary condition for Newton's third law. These are the two questions for physics attendance in Google form. This is all for the day. Thanks.